Hello, my name is Catherine Kariuki. My registration number is B.Ed ARTS-01-7873 2020, and my area of specialization is English and Literature. So I'm going to be taking you through a course called Art Theory and History, ATH 411, and the course category is May 2023. So, as you can see on the course outline, we are in topic 7, and the topic is symbolism. So I'm going to be taking you through the topic symbolism, and I'm going to illustrate what symbolism is. So when you talk about symbolism, it is a ways of signaling meaning, and it always relies on the conventions of interpretation. So within the study of meanings in artworks, the identification of symbols as meanings is indispensable. In one sense, symbolic simply means meaningful. For instance, a skull depicted in a still life painting is often claimed symbolically to stand for death and the finitude of human life. So a symbol stands for or represents something. So in art, we have sculpture, for example, is a term with a particular history and set of associations within the Western art tradition. Nigeria was the English name given to a part of Middle Africa, also an imposed name by its British colonizers in the 19th century. Depicting suggests the intent imitatively to represent in a fashion intelligible within, again, Western conventions of art, and is at best an assumption about the purpose of a practice and the referent of an artifact produced within it. So a symbol, as you can see, stands for something. So as this brief discussion indicates, meanings are made and symbols invented by viewers in ways which constantly exceed the original circumstances of a work's social relations of production and consumption. This is not to say, however, that symbols and systems of symbols have sometimes not been jointly and comprehensively agreed and written down. So lastly, a clear codification of elements in pictorial composition and their meanings occurs in Leon Battista Alberti's famous treatise on painting. So by the end of the 19th century, however, a collapse of belief in such ordered meanings occurred, and modern artists and writers attempted to reinvent symbolism as a kind of intuitive, expressive process. Symbolism was reinvented as an aspect of integral individual artistic subjectivity, drawing eclectically on all previous kinds of symbols and yet moving in the development of abstraction towards the declaration of color and form as transcendently symbolic, almost mystical elements in themselves. So as time goes by, symbolic aspects in art are being reinvented. However, one thing that stands out and that will always remain is that symbolism will always stand for something. It's a term in art that is used to stand for something. And when you're using literature, you have to analyze what you see in novels and other written materials or other aspects of literature, and analyze those symbols and say what they stand for. So this is why you have to research on symbolism so that you can be able to understand this topic better. So research on it and see you in my next class. Thank you.